Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will begin by identifying the exterior and outdoor elements of the house, and then we will go over the rooms, furniture, and objects inside the house. Let's start. Roof. This is an asphalt shingle roof. Metal roof. Clay tile roof. Solar panels. Stone facade. Windows. Dormer. Front door. Sometimes there's a glass door on the outside like here. This is called a storm door. If the door is netted, then it's called a screen door. Wreath. Sidelights. Doorbell. Wall sconce. Planter. Plant. This area is called a front entry porch. Flower bed. Flower shrub. Evergreen bushes. People use shrub and bush interchangeably. Garage. Garage door. Some houses don't have a garage, but a carport instead. Canopy. Driveway. This is an asphalt driveway. Front lawn. Curb. Sidewalk. Mailpost. Mailbox. Or a mail slot like this house. Keypad. Door knocker. House number. Concrete driveway. Porch. A porch is generally built of lumber, roofed, and is positioned in the front of the house. Post/column. Steps. Railing. Side door. Vinyl siding. Cedar siding. Wood fence. Vinyl fence. Garbage and recycling bins. Walkway. Chimney. Skyline window. Gutter. Gutter catches rainwater and directs it to the downspout. Downspout. Porch swing. Lawn chair. Garden arbor. Water feature. Balcony. This balcony is actually a false balcony because it's small and can't hold furniture. Window shutters. Bistro set. A bistro set consists of a table and two chairs. Built-in planter box. Rooftop terrace. This is a patio. A patio is typically paved with concrete, pavers, stone slabs, or porcelain tiles. Patio dining set. Wicker dining chair. Wicker is a style of weaving. Awning. Hanging basket. String lights. And this one is a true balcony. Shed. Lounge chair. Back cushion. Seat cushion. Patio umbrella. Ottoman. Fireplace. Mantel. Gas grill. Charcoal grill. Deck. A deck is generally built of lumber and is positioned on the side or in the back of the house. Privacy screen. Chase lounge. Conversation set. A conversation set is an outdoor furniture set for lounging and relaxing. Another conversation set. Pool deck. Courtyard. A courtyard is an unroofed area, surrounded by walls or buildings. Outdoor gas heater. Citrus fruit tree. Pergola. Pavilion. Gazebo. Hammock. Playground set. Fire pit. Hedge. A hedge is a barrier formed by bushes planted close together. Hot tub. Now let's go inside the house. As you enter the front door, you will find yourself in an entryway. This is also a hallway as it's long and narrow. Entryway console table. Coat closet. Door handle. Thermostat. Wall decor. Light switches. A grander and more formal entryway is a foyer. Umbrella stand. Transom window. Sometimes, near an entrance, there's a mudroom where you can store shoes, boots, sport gears, and so on. A mudroom actually has more storage than this. Hooks. Other entryway items. Shoe rack. Shoe cabinet. Coat rack. Staircase. Railing. Handrail. Balusters. Living room. This is a sofa. A sectional sofa specifically. Accent chair. An accent chair is a decorative chair. It can be an armchair like this. Throw pillows. Throw pillows are decorative pillows. Coffee table. Media console table. A media console is a table for TV and other electronics. End table or side table. Blackout drape. Floor to ceiling bay window. Sliding doors. Area rug. Throw blanket. Fan. Decorative mirror. Picture frame. Sheer curtain. This decorative paneling is known as wainscoting. Wainscoting. Crown molding. Painting. Built-in bookcase. Coffered ceiling. Love seat. It's a couch with 2 seats. Fireplace screen. Fireplace hearth. Decor tray. Flat screen TV. Radiator. Loft level. Blinds. 3-seater sofa. In some houses, instead of a fireplace insert, you see a wood stove like this. Kitchen. Upper cabinets. Lower cabinets. Drawers. Cabinet hardware. Refrigerator. Countertop. Island. Counter stools. Sink. Faucet. Over-the-range microwave that functions both as a microwave and a range hood. Dishwasher. Range or stove. A range is an appliance with both an oven and a cooktop combined. Range hood. Cooktop. Wall oven. Backslash. Open shelves. Outlets. Pendant lights. Pantry. A closet or room for food storage. Due to the large number of vocabulary words associated with the kitchen, there will be a separate lesson focused solely on this area of the house. Dining room. Dining table. Dining chair. Built-in buffet server or sideboard. Recessed lighting. Abstract art. Slatted wood paneling. Bedroom. Carpet. Accent wall. Bed frame. Mattress. Euro pillow. Standard pillow. boudoir pillow, bed runner, exposed beam, nightstand, reading lamp, lampshade, headboard, duvet. A duvet has a blanket insert and a duvet cover. Bedroom bench, chandelier, vaulted ceiling, ceiling planks, French doors. A nice bedroom like this usually comes with a walk-in closet, with lots of shelves and drawers. However, most people's closets look like this. Hangers, rod, other bedding items, comforter. While a duvet has two pieces, an insert and a cover, a comforter is just one piece. Fitted sheet. The fitted sheet stretches over the mattress. Flat sheet. The flat sheet goes on top the fitted sheet. Pillowcase. The arrangement would look something like this. Comforter, flat sheet, fitted sheet. Ensuite. An ensuite refers to a bathroom inside a bedroom. Shower. Vessel sink. A vessel sink is a sink that sits on top of the countertop. Wall-mounted faucet. Wall-hung toilet. Toilet lid. Toilet seat. Toilet bowl. The water tank of this toilet is behind the wall.
Bidet.
Towel warmer rack. Single handle faucet. Hand shower. Shower head. Tub spout. The little device you see on top of the spout is called a diverter. Its function is to divert the flow of water between the shower head and tub spout. Overflow drain. Freestanding tub. Plantation shutter. Other bathroom items. Toilet paper holder. Towel ring. This double vanity is referred to as a his and hers vanity. Vanity sconce. Soap pump. Bar soap. Soap dish. Widespread faucet. Center set faucet. Bathtub caddy. Body brush. Drain. Hook rack. Bath towel. Hair dryer. Medicine cabinet. Linen cabinet. Hamper. Blanket ladder. Bidet toilet seat. If a bathroom has a toilet and a sink, but no shower or tub, it's called a powder room or a half bath. Backlit mirror. Floating bath vanity. Spare bedroom. A bedroom for visiting friends and relatives. The largest bedroom in the house is called a master bed. Blinds. Air vent. Kids' bedroom. Bunk bed. Wardrobe. Dresser. Bookshelf. Air conditioner. Playroom. Baseboard heater. Teepee. Nowadays, you can find this in many playrooms and kids' rooms. Nursery. Crib. Nursery glider. Wall decal. Crib quilt. Quilts are thin blankets that feature elaborate designs and visible stitches. Over a bed, quilts serve as decorative pieces. Cube storage unit. Diaper changing pad. Diaper caddy. Baseboard. Window sill. window trim, office or study, desk, file cabinet, office chair, vase, basket, pen holder, monitor, monitor stand, mouse pad, keyboard. You can even have a daybed like this in a home office. Daybed, shades, floor lamp, laundry room, washer, dryer, ironing board. But many people don't have a designated laundry room like this. Instead, they just have their washer and dryer in the basement like so. This is an unfinished basement. Water heater, furnace, HVAC duct. HVAC stands for heating, ventilating, air conditioning. HVAC ductwork circulates the cool and warm air around the house. However, a basement can be finished and turned into a family room, a home theater. This is a projector, or a home gym. The possibilities are endless. Treadmill, stationary bike, attic. Attic is a room right below the roof, usually used for storage. The attic in this picture has been finished with a small home library and a reading nook. Sunroom, a great room for enjoying the outdoors. Garden stool. Adding a jacuzzi to the sunroom makes it even better. Jacuzzi, jets. And that concluded our lesson.